guys, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Face Mask Club's here, so I'm all excited. So we'll sit down and unbox this together. Hello if you're new here, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Like I said, Face Mask Club is here. I do love this box because I'm a fiend for a sheet mask. Any kind of mask, anything that goes on my face. just love whacking it on. Now, the Face Mask Club is a monthly sheet mask subscription service. They are filled with, it's mainly K-beauty, but I have seen a couple of J-beauty in there as well. It's absolutely fabulous. I will put the details on how much I pay down below, but you can get one-off boxes as well as a subscription. So they do a 5 mask month subscription that you can get as a one-off box if you just want to try the service, and you can also get a 7 mask one-off and a monthly subscription as well, which I think is absolutely fabulous. And these masks are just brilliant, and I understand that in this month they're trialling a new brand, so I'm really looking forward to what's inside. It always comes lovely scented. It comes like this. It's, as you can see, it's letterbox friendly, so if you're not at home it will be waiting on the doormat when you finish work or when you've come back from going out. They come like this. Sorry, you've got the light glaring on there. You get these cute little notes. I collect these. I've got a little tray that I kind of pop them in. And this month it says, "Hi Amy, hope the Pina Colada mask gets you in the mood for summer." I love pina coladas. I went to a family barbecue on Saturday and I was drinking pina colada. So this is just absolutely fabulous. It's just taking me back. So I'm going to open this up. You always get kind of like little glitter stars, or at Easter we had Easter eggs and sort of Easter confetti. It's really sweet, very well thought out, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to shake off some of these stars, which normally always end up going everywhere, before I give you kind of like a brief look at what we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, some of these look absolutely stunning packaging. So here we go. We've got 7 here. So let's run through them. I have noticed that on the back of these there isn't always a lot of English, so there's more stars. So there is a Google app that you can download, and it's Google Translate, and you can just hold your phone up to the back of the mask and it will translate all the back for you. But there is some sort of instructions in English. It's great, honestly. Absolutely love it. Now this first mask, it is a conditioning care skin perfection mask. Ooh, it says oppose and relieve. Aloe and Luther, I think, plant soothing mask, and that's from the brand Beauty Idea Diary. Now these do one of my most favourite masks. It's the black lavender infused mask, which is absolutely stunning, and I've just used another Beauty Idea Diary mask as well. I absolutely love it. There's not a lot of English on the back, but I would translate it or just go as like a basic kind of mask guide. Make sure you've got a cleansed face. I always pop my toner on and then just pop the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and you'll be fine. So that is the first one, which I'm very excited about. We have also got a mask from Untitled Beauty, and it's the Avocado Mask. It's a superfood mask, which is great. And it says superfood is rich in nutrients and it is plant-based chemicals to enhance the health. Nutritious superfood helps to keep beautiful skin and replenishes nutrients that the skin is lacking. And there we go. There's another good one. This packaging is just lovely. I don't like avocados to eat, but I do store my brushes in avocado mugs because I think they are so cute. And this one, we've got some faces on the back here, and it says you leave it on for 15 minutes. Which is fabulous. That was mask number 2. Mask number 3 is from a brand called Halo, and it says live once. It's a premium lacto mask, so I presume, there's not any English on the back here at all, that this would be like a milk mask, which would be really cool. That'd be really nice for the skin, very soothing. So I'm looking forward to trying this one. There's some good masks so far. Well done, Face Mask Club. And there's that one. The next mask, oh, the packaging, is another one from Untitled Beauty, and it's the Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Essence Mask. I can never get that word out. My skin doesn't like hyaluronic acid and my tongue doesn't like saying it either. And there is some English here on the back, and it says 15 to 20 minutes you leave this one on for. Look at this packaging. That is absolutely stunning. I'd like bedding that looks like this. It would go quite nice in this white room. And so yes, this is this one. God, we are plowing through these quite fast. Now, number 5, this is a repeat mask, but I really do like this. This is from the brand Farmstay, and it's the Aloe Mask. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so soothing and calming. It leaves my skin feeling very soft and supple. This is fabulous if you've had a bit too much sun. Or if your skin's just feeling a bit irritated with you and a bit angry, pop this on. Jump in the bath, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and just relax. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it says on the back, it's the Farmstay Visible Difference Mask Sheet in Aloe. So there's that one. We got some little faces. Where are they? Up here. On the back. And there is some English on there, which is quite cool. Oh wow, keep going with the packaging. Is that the right way up? No, it's that way up. This I think is called from Illumin, and it's a moisture mask. Wow, look at this. Stunning colour. The blue is my favourite colour, but it's kind of like this kind of teal kind of blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, there's not any information in English on the back here at all. So a moisture mask, I presume that's going to be very moisturising, very hydrating on the skin. But this, oh, the packaging, they really do. Korean beauty really does take the packaging to the next level. You know, if you walk into like a drugstore and you just see this sitting next to one that's just in plain white packaging, you're going to go for this one. They know what they're doing. And the last mask we've got is, I think it's from the brand Berry Sim, and it's the cocktail recipe mask, and it's in Pina Colada. Now, do you know that song called Pina Colada? I can't sing it, but it's going around in my head. I think I might have to buy some. I can lie in the bath, sit in pina coladas out of a coconut with umbrellas with this on my face. Heaven. Yeah, and this one, it says leave on for 20 minutes. So there's a little bit of English on the back here. It says even skin tone and radiance. Happy hour with cocktail recipe mask for your skin. It's happy hour. Oh, that's so cool. This mask contains pineapple extract and coconut water to help activate the glowy and moisturised skin. Yeah, and that is basically a pina colada. Absolutely fabulous. I will do this in a Mask Monday. I'm now going to start doing my Mask Mondays weekly instead of just sort of 1 or 2 a month. So we'll be able to plough through these masks together so you can actually see what they're like on the skin, which is great because they are such fabulous masks. So what did you think? I'm really, really pleased. This month, some absolute gorgeous packaging, some stunning sounding masks, and this one I think I'll record for you for next week. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying them. Thank you, Face Mask Club. Absolutely fabulous. So let me know what you thought in the comments below, and if you get Face Mask Club, what mask you got this month. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care.